Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back at Westgate Las Vegas. I'm so excited to check out their newly themed room, which is Halloween. I'm curious to see if it's Casper Halloween or Freddy and Jason Halloween. Let me take a peek. I'm scared. Okay, you guys, it's definitely Freddy and Jason Halloween. It's gonna be a great time. Come check it out with me. Okay, we are going up to the 28th floor.
Doors opening. Okay, to enter.
I go this way. So here's the thing about staying in the suite. See how far it is? They're always located on the end of the hallway because they're the larger rooms, so just be prepared to make the walk. Okay, here we go, you guys. That's what I see. So it's definitely not Casper. All right, let me shut this door. But he has some starburst, so that makes it a little bit better. And you guys, if it looks dark, it definitely is dark in here. If you guys haven't seen my Christmas themed suite here at Westgate, I'm gonna link that in the description box below. But just like the Christmas suite, they have a counter here, so you can sit here, eat. They have a microwave, they have a refrigerator, and they have a bunch of, oh my God, Elm Street. It's Michael Myers, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Oh my gosh, look at the detailings, guys. If you are a fan of Halloween, this is your room. All right, let's walk this way. I'm gonna switch off my lights for a second because I feel like there's something behind that curtain. Let's check out what's behind the curtain. Oh my God, sorry. Oh my God, it's Pennywise.
Oh, well, I'm Pennywise, the dancing clown. Pennywise.
And you guys, they have a Halloween setup, just like the Christmas suite. So if you bring in your own food, oh my God, check out this little thing down under the table though. Okay. All right, so they have, you can actually dine here. Okay, Pennywise. You guys, that is creepy. So look at how cool the Halloween themed table is. And while you dine, guess who's peeking out from behind the curtain? And there's two chairs by the window with the world's biggest skull. This is a one-bedroom suite. I'm afraid something's gonna pop out at me here. They have all these pillows with little details, spider webs, and a skull. Oh, there's a book on them. On the bed. It's Edgar Allan Poe. Oh my gosh, I just noticed, you guys, check out the ceiling. They're big, it's a little dark, there we go. They're big spiders on the ceiling. I will lose my mind if that falls while I'm sleeping. All right, we're gonna head into the bathroom area. Oh, there's pictures. Who are those? Oh my God, what is that? Oh my gosh, this thing freaked me out. Here's the bathroom, and I'll be really surprised if it's not Halloween themed, but it is, of course. Oh God, look at the toilet paper holder. Skeleton. Edgar Allan Poe again. Of course, look at that. Even the toilet seat is black. Let's check out this shower curtain. Spider webs. Shower and tub, you guys. Oh my God! But yes, that is in the shower. That surprised me. I love it. Okay, I'm back out into the bedroom. I love how huge the TV is. Okay, let's walk out. You guys, really, it's dark in here. I love it, but it's hard to film. So hopefully you guys can see. Okay, we're now in the living area. That pig's head caught me by surprise. Here's the seating area. More skulls! A humongous one on the ground, and then one bunch of them that line the wall all the way up to the ceiling. You guys, this is so cool. This is Halloween themed, and it is something that you can book all year round. And on the wall, a bunch of photos. I don't know if I'm supposed to know who these people are, but oh yes, here we go. Okay, we're gonna go towards the other bathroom. Oh my God, I hope this doesn't talk. It's gonna freak me out. You know what? He is guarding the safe. I don't think anyone's gonna steal anything with him. All right, let's check out the other bathroom. You know, actually when you come into the room, I have to be honest, it was really dark and I was thinking, I can't see anything, and I was looking for light switches. But as you are in the room for a little bit, your eyes adjust and it's kind of perfect. Oh my gosh, do you think there's something behind this shower curtain? Let's creep around, but this one has skulls. Oh my God, I'm scared to see. Sorry, I'm going slow. No, okay. Okay. All right. Yes, I was kind of hoping there was something back there. As mentioned earlier, you can book the Halloween suite all year round. For the most up-to-date prices and availability, please check their website, which you'll find in the description box below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.